Hey guys, in this video, I'd like to explain how this photo was made from the workshop that happened in December, and I'll give you a little bit of a behind the scenes commentary as well as how I went about editing this photo afterwards, so you get a better idea of how it's done, and I hope you enjoy it. So the girl is being lit by the LED light wand at a tungsten color balance, and I'm pulling him outside. So what's separating us is that glass pane. I'm placing her inside of his shadow. So I'm just adjusting him around until she falls into that right now.
Now, both of you, Mandy, both of you, on the count of three, you're going to make that ha 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 sound together, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Now you're going to laugh for real. Go. Could you look at him and laugh now? Because he's laughing. Beautiful. Cool.
What we're looking at is the raw file straight from my A9. This photo was shot with my 55mm lens at f6.3, 1/200th of a second at ISO 800. Looking back, I could have probably pushed it to maybe 1600 or ISO 2000 and gone up to f8 to make his silhouette here a little bit more prominent, but it would have introduced a little more of a background as well. So, you know, it's a give and take. The double pane of the glass is why there's a double shadow of him. I could have cleaned that up a little bit more if I was working a little bit harder there, but hey, here I am. Next time. Okay, let's edit this photo. I am going to get rid of the light wand and some of these trees here, and I'm going to make this background nice and blue. I'm going to keep her the same color. So let's start with fixing her skin tone so that it looks good. Okay, I'm happy there. I'm going to grab a brush and make it really cool. See. There we go. Now all I'm doing is just painting in the blues a little more bluer than it should be. Okay. That looks good. I think I've kind of gone in here a little too much. Alright, now new brush, and let's make that a little bit black. So all I'm doing is just filling in the blacks here. Okay, that looks pretty good. All I'm going to do now is just use the spot tool. To remove that guy. That one didn't work as well. I'm not a big fan of the Lightroom's spot tool sometimes. It's not as great as the Photoshop version, but it gets the job done. Okay, so let's take a look at the before and after. So before, after. There you have it. Hope that helps.